right. Our first stop is going to be in California, known for its millions of acres of farmland and agricultural production. We're specifically talking about earthquakes that affect California. So, scientists use specific equipment known as a seismometer, which records movement on the Earth's surface. Um, Earthquakes in California are caused by the North American plate and Pacific plate grinding by each other along the San Andreas Fault, which is 750 miles long. Earthquakes cannot be prevented, but we gather the adequate sources to combat the likelihood of injuries and starvation. So most likely for the big one to come, as we know, should hit LA, and as we know, in the county of LA is the largest population. So the effect of it would be very, very gratifying. So it's very important to have your own personalized emergency kit or one of the household kits, such as flashlights, battery, canned food, and much more. So let's go ahead and make our second stop, which is going to be in Oklahoma, obviously far away from us a little. Oklahoma is the core of the Great Plains and home to the highest tornado hazards in the country. Tornadoes will continue with climate changes, enables the extreme change of hot weather. The flatter surface are more prone to tornado activity than the regions where there are mountains. And as we see here, if we zoom in a little into Oklahoma City, you don't see many mountains, more of the flatter surfaces we see here. The solution to this will be cooler temperatures and less humidity from the Gulf of Mexico. And contributing to the reduction of climate change is necessary, as we know. The sun is going to be a fundamental source that controls the climate system, and change to the sun. Less gas, more walking, and taking the train even would be beneficial. And members who experience any sort of thing that will be the cause of tornadoes should find shelter, make sure that their basement is a very, very open area for that. And our last stop as well is going to be in Ethiopia, which is very, very far from us. So as we know, Ethiopia battles from the impact of El Nino, induced drought, and contribute to the risk of disease outbreaks. The lack of rainfall since 2015 and forward on has turned their land to dust, putting not only millions at risk, but animals suffering the consequences as well. If the upcoming rainfall continues to fall, Ethiopia will have trouble regaining their livelihood. About 376,000 children have become severely malnourished, and many prevention plans and solutions to conserve their very limited water will definitely save the humanitarian areas that are around Ethiopia. So let's take a quick zoom in and see where we are with Ethiopia. As we see here is just pure land, a lot of mountain area, so a lot of the chaos that could occur will be very, very, very gratifying for this country. And this is our last stop for the project.